Good morning, it's Martin at PendlePerformance. We've got an awesome Volkswagen T6 2.0 TDI common rail 150 brake horse on the dyno. This being the front wheel drive Dsg model using the Delphi DCM 6.20 control unit. All vehicles tuned at Pendle headquarters. It's not just about flashing a map on the ECU and obviously dyno testing. We do full in-depth live data logging of the vehicle. We analyse all the data, make sure the vehicles are running correctly. We do any software updates needed, main dealership software updates. We use specialist diagnostics equipment to readapt the EGR solenoid, readapt the turbo control adaptions, clear all the adaptation values of the Dsg Gearbox, various things, static service regen and the VPF filter. But we carry out all these things prior to doing any tuning. It's paramount that we do all this. It's part and parcel of having your vehicle correctly set up, correctly tuned. So this is what we do with each and every vehicle we do at Pendle headquarters, and also the network of agents carry out the same process. Then once we have done everything and we're happy all the data log that we've captured is correct, the engine's running correctly and everything's safe, we move on then to the tuning process. We spend hundreds and hundreds of hours in development of each particular vehicle, engine, ECU. We tune here at Pendle headquarters. We put our base file in there, we run it up on the dyno, where's base file in, we live data log, we check the turbo control, make sure we've not got no boost spikes, we check the fueling, we check the lambda, the air fuel ratio, make sure we've got clean cylinder combustion. We also look at the dyno graphs as well, which we're going to show you in a minute, make sure we've got correct delivery of torque. It's not just about the peak numbers, you know, bragging rights, so it's gone from X amount to X amount. It's about the delivery of the power, making sure that power delivery is nice and smooth, safe, we've got correct ECU control, and everything's running as it should do. So that's what we do at Pendle headquarters. We'll have a look at this vehicle again. It's the T6 150 brake horse Dsg. We have also tuned the Dsg gearbox in this vehicle. It absolutely transforms them. These gearboxes in these, from factory standard, they're not great. They feel like they don't know what gear to be in. The changing of gears is not smooth, they're constantly up and down. We change all the shift points, the shift speeds and various other things within the software, makes them change gear seamlessly. Doesn't feel like the change of gear, just automatically gets in gear that fast. The shift points are a lot better, the drivability of them is absolutely superb. It absolutely changes them completely, it makes them a pleasure to drive really, the gearbox. We'll have a look at the dyno graph now. We've overlaid it over the standard, and I'll point that out to you. So that's a look at it. We'll just have a look at the numbers first. It's been 196 brake horse, 440 newton meters of torque, 442 if we're going to be precise. It made 154 brake horse and 356 newton meters of torque standard. So we've got good gains. You can see the dyno graph. The thin line is the previous, and then the bold line, and this is the torque one. This is the engine, these are the torque, and these are the most important one. You can see the engine RPM 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 across the bottom, and then we can see his delivery of his torque. Previously, we've got quite a spike, and the delivery of torque, lower down RPM range isn't great. You can see once we've tuned it, we make it really smooth and progressive delivery of torque. This is what massively changes the driving style of these, makes them a pleasure to drive. Once tuned by us, these really are what they should have come from factory. Volkswagen should take note really of the tuning that we do on these and release them from factory, because although they are an absolutely awesome vehicle, these new models, the 150 and the 199 do not drive great on their own. On the road, sorry. Pulling out of junctions, them not knowing what gear to be in, the flat spots in low RPM range, they really aren't great as they are from factory. But good news, once they are tuned correctly, they're an absolute pleasure to drive. So thanks for watching.